for any process, the heat absorbed is given by NC delta T. And what is C? C is given by the expression R upon 1 minus X plus CV. Now the first question is, what is CV? So in the question it is given, it is a monoatomic gas, ideal monoatomic gas. For monoatomic gas, CV is 3R by 2. What about X? Now X is basically the power for the general expression PVX equal to constant. Now in the given question, we are provided that Vt is equal to constant. So we need to convert this expression into this form. There is pressure here, volume here, so we need to replace this temperature. How to replace that? Since this is an ideal gas, for 1 mole, we can write PV is equal to nRT or PV is equal to RT. Let's substitute T with, T is basically PV upon R. Let's put this value here. So what we get is V into PV upon R is equal to constant, or PV square is equal to a new constant K dash. Now let's compare with this. So what we get is X equal to 2. Once we know the value of X, let's substitute this in this formula. So we get C is equal to R upon 1 minus 2 plus 3R by 2, which is nothing but R by 2. So once we have the value of C, substituting back here, we get heat absorbed is N R by 2 into delta T. Okay. So the final answer is half R T, option B.